guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I just got off of work, so please excuse my appearance, but I came home to something very exciting. I have my Boxycharm, so I am ignoring the fact that I have to wake up in approximately 6 hours, and I'm going to unbox it here for you guys today. So I got my Boxycharm. I have already seen all of the sneak peeks and the teasers and everything, all of the things that people have gotten in their boxes already. I've already seen on Instagram. It's kind of an unavoidable. I was going to try and be surprised, but I follow Boxycharm on Instagram, so it's kind of unavoidable. So, opening it up, it looks like this. Sure. Okay. So, this is the Alter Ego box, and somebody said, oh, mine's number 7. Hopefully that doesn't mean, I really want the facial cleansing oil. I'm almost out of my Clinique one, and I would really like to try the pharmacy one. Okay. I just looked, and I know I don't have it. I'm bummed now. I should have bought, there was one on sale. Which one was it?
Just in case the dogs get a lot of hand. Someone.
Hi, kittens! Do you want to come be in my video?
Sorry, oh, you're in the
It's
video.
okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Bye.
Bye. So my mom brought my kittens into my room so that they're not bothered by my dogs. Yeah. Okay, so this is my Boxycharm. This is the booklet. I'm not gonna... I already know what's in it now because I know which version I got because I saw all the sneak peeks, but I'm still excited. It's still exciting. I got 2 deluxe sizes, so the good ones. Okay, so the first thing I'm actually super excited for, it's the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Everybody got this in their box. It's obviously full size, blah, blah. What? This is Lola. This is my clingy little baby Lola. This video is gonna be crazy. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna try and get through it. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. I'm not gonna open it, actually open the tube. I'm sure everybody knows what it looks like by now. But I don't like to open my mascaras until I'm ready to use them because I don't want them to dry out. The bottle is so cool though. That just looks super cool. I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm just gonna put it in my box and put it in my unopened makeup drawer. Lola is my helper here today. Huh, Lola. Okay. Then the next thing we got is I have 3 of the, oh wait, I need to tell you the price. Duh. Okay. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Strength Volumizing. I don't know why they give me so much trouble. Wrap your lashes in a lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic strength technology and ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. This is normally $24, so I got it. It's already the price of the box. Set. Okay. I really hope I got a good color of the Kat Von D thing. I don't know that. Okay. I got the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So there's 3 of these in here, right? Yes, they're back by popular demand. So I'm excited. I don't have any, I've never tried an eye mask actually, and I am trying to get better with my eyes and skincare. I'm pretty good at my skincare, but I need to get better at it. You know, it's cuddle season. I want my face to be soft. Yeah. Okay. The Wander Beauty eye masks. I'm not super excited about these because it's whatever. I would have so rather gotten the pharmacy cleansing oil. But yes, okay. Backed by popular demand, these gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. Okay, sounds good. So I don't know if this means I don't think they'd be $13 each. I think all 3 of them are $13. So that's $13 from that. Next is what I got instead of the cleansing oil. Well, one of the things I got. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. I mean, my hair could always use something, which it might be good. I can just buy a cleansing oil. I don't know why I'm focusing on that so much. I just really wanted to try it, and because I'm almost out of my Clinique one, I thought, oh, perfect opportunity. I hope I get it. And I was kind of excited to get it, and now that I didn't, I'm like bummed. But everything in here is still good, so I mean, like, I'm still excited to have it. So this Briogeo mask, or the hair mask, is the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner, provides repair benefits and beyond. This unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. And this size, I believe this is a deluxe size, so it's not a full size, which I know everybody was going mad about in the comments on Boxycharm's Instagram. I don't know. I don't really care. It's still a really good deal. So this is $16, this one right here. And I just want to say, if you guys can hear like the wind in the background, I'm from the high desert. I'm from California. It's super windy. Like, this is a usual, okay? It's always windy. And I have bushes right outside my window that like scratch, and everybody thinks it's creepy, but I don't. Okay, so yeah, I got this in my box as well, which I'm excited to try. Would I have rather tried the cleansing oil? Definitely. But I'm happy to have this as well. Okay, next is, so the It Cosmetics mascara, everybody got in the box. The Wander Beauty eye masks and the Briogeo spray are like the two random ones, and then these last two are the two things that you could always get. So I'm not sad about my, well, I'm kind of sad, but it's okay. You know, it's Kat Von D, it's nice. Okay, this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Everybody got this in their box. They're just color variations. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It is infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. So I can already see that I'm not too happy with this sticker because it's dark. I wanted something nude. I wanted something wearable all the time. This ain't it. It's really pretty. Let's swatch it real quick. The packaging on these is so like surprising every time. Oh, it's really pretty. It's really pretty, and it's perfect for fall. So I'm not mad at it. I would prefer to get a nude, but I have nudes. Okay, I'm just gonna hype myself up for these and get excited for this because this is what I have, and I'm gonna be happy that for what I got. You know, like being thankful. I'm very happy I got this shade because it's something that I don't really have. It's in a formula that I hopefully really like. I haven't tried it before, and so hopefully I really like this shade in this formula. And oh, I didn't tell you guys the shade. The shade is Crucifix, but it's a really good fall shade. I have all of the nudes I could ever need from ColourPop and from like everything, so I didn't need another nude. So it's nice that I have this really awesome, actually. It's like a dark brown. I've been wanting like a very 90s brown. This is a little darker than a 90s brown, but it's really pretty, and honestly I'm very excited for it. So I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy I got that shade because I'm excited to wear it for fall. I can't wear it when I babysit because that's just a little like crazy, but I'm excited to wear it to work. So the last thing is the Pure and Boxycharm. I believe they collabed on this, or it's a Boxycharm exclusive. Let me see. This 10-piece face palette. Oh, it's the Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade palette. That's a long name. Okay, this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery shadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. And retail value is $38. So that's exciting. Like, honestly, I'm excited to get a palette. I love palettes. They're super cool. And this one's from Pure. I've actually never tried anything from, no, I have something from Pure. This is from Pure, right? Okay, yeah, I do have this from Pure. This is like a cream highlighting palette. Not part of the video, Beth. Okay, stay focused. Oh, dang it, there's like a sticker on it. Let me see. I have already seen this. I've already seen a like review demo on it. And she didn't like it, but it looks like something I'd really like. Like she said, everything's super shimmery, and I like shimmery things. The only thing is I don't think the highlighter will work for my skin tone because it didn't work for her and she looked darker than I am. Also, sorry about the lighting today. It's dark outside and I didn't want to turn on all my lights. I wanted it to be a nice relaxing vibe since I do have to go to sleep right after this. So this is the palette. It's the Pure Masquerade palette. Midnight Masquerade palette, my bad. Okay. So there's like the little plasticky parts on each of them. You can totally see the reflection of my TV and everything. Why is there so many stickers and tape everywhere? Like, is it necessary, BoxyCharm? Is it? No. No, it is not. Okay, so yeah, these, honestly, they look really pretty. Ooh. They smell like honestly, it sounds really weird, but they smell like a florally vanilla. That's weird. Kittens! They're playing in my curtains. I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna ignore it. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so these look really, really pretty. Let me cover up. You don't see my tripod? Okay. Look how pretty they look. Like, they look really nice. I don't really want to swatch them right now. Just because if I end up giving it to my mom because I don't want it, then like, or like if I go through my collection and decide I don't want it, then I'll give it to my mom. And then I haven't touched it and it's nice. I don't know. Actually, no, I'm just going to swatch it because these look really pretty. This is Twilight. It's the highlighter. That looks pretty. That looks like it's going to work for me. I don't know why it didn't work for her. Yeah, that's definitely going to work for me and that's gorgeous. What was she talking about? Crazy. This is why you don't watch things. This is why you don't watch videos before you have your own opinion on things, because then you start to think and then you start to get this opinion of yourself and it's not good. Okay, I'm going to re-swatch all of them and I'm going to swatch them for you. So Twilight, what was the other names? Hidden Secret, Enchantment, and Reveal. Oh, I definitely did those wrong. Oops. Okay, so, okay, I'm not gonna be able to show you them. They're pretty. They swatch really nice. They do not look very patchy. Obviously, things change when you put them on the skin. I don't have anything to wipe this off on. Okay, obviously things change when you put them on the face with a brush. Everything gets different. I totally understand that. So I will let you guys know. I do have a review coming of my last unboxing of the things that I got from Shop Miss A. I do have a review coming for that. I also have a couple of things. I'll talk to you guys about that in a minute. So then the other shades are Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. So they honestly all look really pretty. Like the pamphlet said, they're mostly shimmery. What does it say? It says, 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows. Okay, so it doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure 5 of the 6 shadows are shimmery. So the only matte one, or the only like even satiny one, is this dark brown right here. So I mean, it's definitely a complimentary palette, but for somebody with a collection like I have, that's not a bad thing. I like a complimentary palette because these are all shades that I don't have, or I don't necessarily have. Like, it's something, it's nice. I'm happy with it. And that retails for $38. So with that palette, the total of the box is going to be right here. I can already tell we got a really good deal on the palette because, or on the box, because almost everything was $20 or above. So that's awesome. There's only 2 things that were under 20 bucks, which is so cool. Oh, the Kat Von D liquid lipstick is $20 too. I don't think I mentioned that. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm not too disappointed. I did hype myself up for a bunch of these products because I was kind of expecting other things, and I changed my own mind about like the palette and everything. I'm excited. But long story short, I'm excited. So what I wanted to talk to you guys about is I have the Jaclyn Hill palette videos coming. I promise. They're gonna be late. I've accepted it already, but because it's getting into fall, I'm getting more into my makeup. Aside from today, I've been wearing false eyelashes every day, and the one day that I decided to film, no false eyelashes. So annoying. Okay, but I've been getting more into doing my makeup and like more experimental with it, which I really like. I feel really confident with it and it's making me happy. So I'm going to do that video for you guys as soon as I can. And then I think the next video after this is going to be an anti-haul, fall anti-haul, because I have recently bought a lot of things. And so I have an anti-haul coming, and then right after it, I'm gonna have my fall haul of like things that I got at a Victoria's Secret sale, things I got off of Outlook, and things I got from Ulta. I think that's everything. There might be other things. I don't know. But I definitely got from those 3. Oh, and then I have a Scentbird subscription coming too. So all of that is super exciting, and so I'm going to do that video. But I think before I get, because I'm still waiting for some of the stuff, I only have one of the packages right here, and then one is coming tomorrow. And so since I'm waiting for all the stuff, I think I'm going to do an anti-haul and just kind of look at the things that are coming out and tell you guys why I don't want them, why I don't need them, and why you probably don't either. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So sorry about my kittens making noise. They're pretty cute though, so it's okay. Okay, I've done enough rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, because I would love to know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for everything. Bye-bye.